Hello friends, welcome to the another video of Tech by RR. In this video, I am gonna show trick number 3 and trick number 4 for CMD prompt. Before this, if you have missed trick number 1 and 2, you can check out the link in the description box. So let's start. Trick number 3 is to change title of CMD prompt. So first you will have to open CMD prompt and you will have to type title space. For example, I am typing Tech by RR. Hit enter button. As you can see, the title has now been changed into Tech by RR. Now let us jump to trick number 4, that is to check IP address. For checking IP address, you will have to type ipconfig, hit on enter button. So here is your IP address. For more such amazing videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Tech by RR.